Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the class 2nd AVS. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson water exercise. First question is, name the following. In this, there are some questions. I will read out for you. Then we will discuss about the answers. Name 2 activities for which you need water. D. Name any 2 sources of water. C. Name any 2 fruits which have lot of water in them. D. Write the names of any 2 containers in which you store water at home. And the last one, write the names of any 2 water animals. Okay, already these all the things we discussed in previous video. So now let's answer it. Name 2 activities for which you need water. We need water for washing and cooking, as well as there are the many things for which activities we need the water. But here only we are writing the 2 activities, that washing and cooking. Okay, you can see in the picture, for washing, cooking, okay, we need the water to wash the utensils as well as to wash the clothes, or many more things we need the water. And for cooking the different food items we need the water. Next, name any 2 sources of water. So there are the many sources of water. From that, rain and river, these are the some of the 2 basic sources of water from which we are getting the water. Okay, rain and river. Name any 2 fruits which have lot of water in them. Watermelon and orange. These are the 2 fruits in which water you will get. Okay, so watermelon and orange. Other fruits are also there in which you will get the lot of water in them, but here we are showing only 2, watermelon and orange. Write the names of 2 containers in which you store water at home. Many containers are there at your home. You can store the water in different kinds of the container. From them only these 2 are there, bucket and tank. You can see the bucket and tank, these are the 2 containers in which we can store the water. Write the names of any 2 water animals. Fish and crocodile. Okay, these are the 2 water animals. You can see the picture, fish and crocodile. Okay, as well as there are the many aquatic animals are there, which are the water animals. You can see in the picture different kinds of the water animals are there. Let's revise. Name the following. First question. Name 2 activities for which you need water. Washing and cooking. Name any 2 sources of water. Rain and river. Name any 2 fruits which have lot of water in them. Watermelon and orange. Write the names of any 2 containers in which you store water at home. Bucket and tank. Write the names of any 2 water animals. Fish and crocodile. Now next question. Answer the following. Question number 1. Who all need water to live? Okay. The answer is human being, animals and plants. Okay. These all the living being needs the water to live. What? Human being, animals and plants, these all living being needs the water to live. How do we get water at our home? Okay, how we are getting the water at our home, or what is the process or from which we are getting the water? We get water from tap, river or dam. Generally the water is coming into the tap from the tank, and in a tank from river or dam. See, we get water from tap, river or dam. Why should we boil water before drinking? As we know, we should drink the clean water. Okay, and for that, to clean the water, we should boil the water before drinking. And after the boiling, what will happen? All the germs will be killed. So we should boil water to kill germs present in a water. can see in a picture, you can boil or you can use the purifier or you can use the filter to kill these germs and bacteria which is present in a water. Okay, and you can drink the clean water. So always drink clean water, avoid the drinking polluted water. How should we store water? We should store water in a clean containers. Okay, why clean containers? Because if container is not clean, so obviously that water will be polluted. Okay, or some germs or bacteria will be there inside the water. So that's why to avoid this, we should store water into the clean containers. So these are some of the pictures are there in front of you. You can see containers, bucket, tank, okay, water tank or water bottle. So in this all you can store. Why should we save water? Because water is very precious. Water is very precious. We should use it in a judicial way because we need water for the different activities. Okay, so we should use it judicially. These are some of the effective ways in picture you can see by which you can save water. Okay, simple things are there by which you can save the water, as we discussed in our previous video. Revise all the question answers once again. Who all need water to live? Human being, animals and plants. Next question. How do we get water at our home? We get water from tap, river or dam. Why should we boil water before drinking? We should boil water to kill germs present in water. How should we store water? We should store water in clean containers. Why should we save water? Because water is very precious. So I hope you understood all the question answers. Thank you so much.